In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for HubSpot without needing a website in 2024. Whether you're starting a new business or just want to explore HubSpot's CRM features, this straightforward process makes it easy to get started. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to visit HubSpot's official homepage. It's the first step on your journey to getting access to their suite of tools. Simply open your web browser and navigate to www.hubspot.com. This is where you'll find all the information about the various software and tools HubSpot offers for businesses like yours. Take a moment to look around if you'd like. When you're ready, find and click on the Create Your Free Account button. It's typically prominent on the home page, designed to guide you seamlessly into the sign-up process. Next, you'll see an option to Continue with Google. This is your opportunity to link your HubSpot account directly with an existing Google account, which can be really convenient if you already use Google's suite of services. Just click the button and you'll be prompted to select which Google account you wish to use. Follow the on-screen instructions to grant HubSpot the appropriate permissions and you'll be on your way. If you're not using Google, don't worry, there are other options available to you. For those who prefer Microsoft, clicking on the Sign Up with Microsoft option is your ticket to quick and easy integration. This works similarly to the Google sign-up process. Just follow the prompts and select your Microsoft account. Again, permissions will be required to link HubSpot with your Microsoft tools. Lastly, for all the Apple aficionados out there, HubSpot also offers the ability to sign up with Apple. This provides a seamless experience for those already entrenched in the Apple ecosystem. Once you click this option, you'll be asked to sign in with your Apple ID. Follow the instructions, confirm your identity, and read through the permissions requested to complete your sign up. Whichever method you choose, be it Google, Microsoft, or Apple, HubSpot makes it incredibly easy to get your account set up without any hassle. And remember, since you're signing up without a website, these direct links with your existing accounts eliminate the need for a traditional domain or host. This flexibility ensures that anyone, whether they're just getting started or already established, can begin utilizing HubSpot's powerful tools right away. Once you've completed these steps, you're officially part of the HubSpot community. You can now explore and take advantage of their free CRM tools to better streamline your business processes. Thank you for watching today's guide. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and feel equipped to get started with HubSpot without a website. Be sure to check out more of our videos to learn how to make the most of your new CRM tools. Happy exploring!